Whether it's a 30-second ad or a 2-hour movie, the product that we're making in the entertainment business is a story. There's a real psychological need for storytelling, and this is going to be a really robust business for a long time in the future. Anything you do in life, you're pitching, you're selling. Whether it's a job interview, a business idea, a date you're trying to get. To demystify storytelling a little bit, I have boiled down 20 years of experience in making TV shows to 3 tools that are super useful for you to use and that you would be using every day in a creative environment.
You can write little poems in your Facebook updates, you can write a short story, and if you really want to write a book, I say to people, well, start out with a short story, a 1-page story, because if you finish it and it doesn't go any further, then you have a finished short story, not an unfinished novel.
If you can combine archetypes and outcomes, you will be able to create a really succinct pitch that paints a very vivid picture in the minds of the people that you're trying to communicate to. The main advice I would always like to give people is that whatever you decide to do, it doesn't mean, as your career, it doesn't mean that you give up your passions. It doesn't mean that you now have to stop doing those things that you always like to do. Your enthusiasm is a big clue to your future.